सब कैसे हैं। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज मैं आपसे इस्कॉन के बारे में बात करूँगा। इस्कॉन है क्या, कैसे काम करता है, जो भी डाउट्स आपके मन में होंगे आज सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे। तो कुछ समय पहले मैं नई दिल्ली स्थित इस्कॉन में गया था, जो कि चांदनी चौक में है। तो उसी स्थान पे इस्कॉन के जो संस्थापक हैं एसी भक्ति वेदांत श्रील प्रभुपादा, वो वहीं रहते थे। वहीं से उन्होंने इस्कॉन का प्रचार प्रसार किया। तो इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं अपना अनुभव को साझा करूंगा, तो कृपया वीडियो को अंत तक देखें। आपको इस्कॉन के बारे में सारा कुछ जानकारी मिल जाएगा। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो दोस्तों, यह मंदिर चांदनी चौक के दरी the Bhagavad Gita and the Bhagavata Purana, and it is a sect of Vaishnavism. In ISKCON they believe that Lord Vishnu was the avatar of Lord Krishna. Now we are heading towards the room of Prabhupada where he lived. So friends, for a moment I thought he himself is sitting, but when I moved closer, then only I realized that it's just a statue, but I can feel life in it. These are some letters typed by Prabhupada, and you will be surprised to know that the name of his typewriter was Corona. So friends, in front of you is the Jaldutam, the ship on which Prabhupada went to America in the year 1965, and he took only 40 Indian rupees with him. He founded ISKCON in the year 1966 in New York, and instead of preaching the elite class, he preached in public parks, streets, especially the hippies. Hippies are a class of people, especially the youth, who were drug addicts at that time, and through his Hare Krishna movement, the youth, they were able to break out of drug addiction, and this movement spread from New York to San Francisco, and from there to England and all over the Europe. So this was a real success. ISKCON has more than 800 centers all over the world, and it has centers even in Pakistan. And very recently we have seen attacks on ISKCON temple in Bangladesh, and I I pray to God that normalcy comes in this country. The Beatles, the famous rock band in London, they also supported the Hare Krishna movement. ISKCON people spread the message of Bhagavad Gita, and Bhagavad Gita is available in different languages, in French, Chinese, Japanese, in different languages. So you can easily get the mantra of Bhagavad Gita. It hardly matters in which part of the world you live. ISKCON has its headquarters in Mayapur in West Bengal. तो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर कमिंग वीडियो.